Hi, my name's Kylie Warry, author, speaker and trainer. My passion is teaching people how to communicate authentically and effectively in any situation. So what is it that makes you who you are? There's the age-old nature versus nurture debate, and there's no doubt that genetics has contributed much of who you are, as well as your environment and your experiences. Relationships Australia found that 68% of all relationship breakdown is caused by poor communication. If you first understand yourself, you can then begin to understand others. This will allow you to communicate with purpose and with intention. Intentional communication is the key to minimising poor communication. Now, I'd like to share with you some simple tools to help you understand why you do what you do, and just as importantly, why others do what they do. And this all comes from what I call your communication DNA, your behavioural makeup, if you like. Now, you're all unique, but there are consistent communication patterns that all of us fall into. And research over many years from a prominent American psychologist called William Marston has helped us to understand a simple model for our communication styles. Today I'm sharing with you my take on communication styles. It's called the communication DNA, and you can see it just here to my left. There are 4 prominent styles: powerful, playful, patient, and perfectionist. Now, each of you has some of all 4 of these, but you have preferences in 1 or 2 of those styles. And each style has its own characteristics and traits, things that you observe, things that you need to feel fulfilled, and needs that you have. It's almost impossible to authentically connect with another human if you don't fully understand yourself, and then are able to understand and fully accept them for all of their wonderful uniqueness. When you don't understand someone else, and they are quite different from you, the likelihood of poor communication increases drastically. The more frustrated you become, the more stressed and emotional the situation becomes, the more likely you will slip into that toxic, unhealthy communication. In order for you to communicate well with people who have a very different style from you, you first need to understand your needs and then be able to identify the needs of others. In coming videos, we will share the 4 different styles that make up your communication DNA, as well as point out the various resources that will help you become the best communicator that you can be. So stay tuned, join the communication revolution, and by all means, please share this with anyone you feel would benefit. Next time, we'll look in detail at the powerful communicator. This may be your dominant communication style. If not, you've lived or worked with someone with this style, and it's time to understand them. Until next time, care, connect, and be a conscious communicator. Let's change our world for the better, one conversation at a time.